I would say this is one of the most important parts of this talk, is that how do we balance the efficiency of machines with the irreplaceable qualities of human? Here on the left, you can see the tasks machines are good at handling, like I mentioned earlier, repetitive tasks, driving efficiency, driverless car, autonomous car, all the things you see coming. Okay, but let's be honest that we will have to admit that these productivity tools are saving tons of time for us, basically. But on the right side, where we see where we really, as human, we shine, we bring innovation to the table. We can form connections, link creativity, solve complex problems in ways machine can't. I would say automation is fantastic for making things faster, but it's our human touch, our ideas, our creativity that really drives growth and progress. So the key here is to find the balance. We need to let machines handle what they're best at, while we focus on what we as humans do best. And things like thinking, creativity, innovating, brainstorming. And this is something what makes us human, what is where we can distinguish between man and machine. Now, here, what are the unique human skills? I think by now you understand, right? Machines might be great at following patterns, completing repetitive tasks. In my daily work, I have to do lots of this kind of creative analytics where I actually need my brain more than I can get out of any tool. So that's all us when thinking outside the box, coming up with new ideas or approaching problems innovatively. So next is critical thinking. So machines are good in processing data, like I mentioned earlier, but we human are the ones who can interpret that data in meaningful way, spot the trends, make connection. It's about taking a lot of information and figure out what matters. Now, then again, as you see here, also the adaptability. Now, in the fast-paced world, things are changing quite fast. So we are the ones actually who can pivot, adjust, and keep moving forward. When the landscape shifts, machines cannot do that independently. They need us to guide them. Finally, empathy and problem solving. Whether collaborating with a team or creating a solution that would improve people's lives, empathy is our superpower. It helps us connect with others and on a human level, something that machines can never really replicate. So these are the skills that make us irreplaceable, and they will be more critical even ever as we navigate to the future of work.